During this stretch of hot summer weather, it can be hard to think about winter, but here in Wisconsin, cold weather is inevitable. And doctors worry winter travel could worsen the pandemic. NBC 26's Caroline Hogan spoke with health officials and travel agents on their recommendations.
I guess I would say that's an individual decision. It really is kind of one of those gray zones.
COVID cases and hospitalizations are climbing. But a year ago, when numbers started to spike at the end of the summer, travel numbers were well below what TSA is reporting right now. Doctors worry more travel could worsen the pandemic.
As people modify their behavior a bit, that your risk of acquiring COVID just inherently by being closer to people when you're indoors as we move into winter is going to be a bit higher.
Doctors advise the unvaccinated not to travel unless it's absolutely necessary.
It's recommended to get a COVID-19 test 1 to 3 days before you travel. And then after you return, you should be tested again for COVID-19 yet again.
Outside of the medical community, travel agents are helping clients make the best decisions.
To let them know, hey, maybe the numbers are looking a little high here. Maybe that's a concern. And then we always look for an alternative for them. Maybe it's changing a destination. Maybe it's postponing.
And he doesn't think COVID will impact winter travel.
And destinations are responding. Different resorts, different locations, they're limiting capacity. They're doing social distancing. They're not just packing people in like they may have done in the past. So it's just kind of using that common sense, listening to those rules and regulations, and being a responsible traveler.
In Green Bay, Caroline Hogan, NBC 26.
Caroline, thank you for that report. And just this week, the governor of Hawaii urged tourists to stay away as COVID-19 cases continue to rise there.